Okay, the sixth question is identify X and Y. X is a component of CPU that can stores information either temporarily or permanently. So you can see memory unit. This can stores the information, right? Now Y part, it is a component of CPU that can perform basic mathematical operations. So this is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This can perform basic mathematical operations. So answer is D part. Now question number 7. Match the various tools given in column 1 and their functionalities given in column 2 with respect to MS Paint of Windows 11. तो we can see the Windows 11. कॉलम 1 में हमें दिख रहा है एक पेंसिल जैसा स्ट्रक्चर. This symbol is normally represent to draw thin freehand lines like a regular pencil. Now second part B, to draw thick, because this is a thick point, so to draw thick or stylish lines with different brush shapes and sizes. C part is to open edit colors dialog box. So we can see the C option. C option is the correct one. Now question 8 is saying which of the following are the correct ways to open a program on a computer. 1. Right click on the program icon and click the open option from the context menu. बिल्कुल सही, this is correct. Then the second part, double click on its shortcut option. This is also correct. C. Select the program icon and press enter key. This is also correct. So option is D. Now ninth question, unscramble the letters of the given word. So you can see there is M, I, C, R, O, microphone. So which category this belongs? This belongs to input device. So option is B. Now question number 10th, Aman has performed the following steps. Step 1, type the word information. Step 2, press enter key. Step 3, type the word technology. What would be displayed on screen after performing these steps? So you can see the option A, information technology, right? Now question number 11, which of the following options can replace X and Y to complete the given sentences? X is an example of search engine. Google Chrome is an example of A and Y. So what is the Y? This is option D, Google web browser, right? Now option number 12, which of the following sequence of steps is correct to set the size of the drawing area in MS Paint of Windows 11? Which of the following sequence of steps is correct to set the size of the drawing area in MS Paint of Windows 11? File and image properties, right? पहले हम फाइल पर जाएंगे, then we will click on the image properties, right? तो option is B. 13 question, what is the full form of URL in terms of the internet? Uniform Resource Locator. Option number A, URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Option number 14, which of the following tools has been applied on given image 1 to convert it into image 2 in MS Paint of Windows 11? So you can see this is horizontal line. They just mirror image this thing. So what would be the answer? Option number B, flip horizontal. जब हम हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लिप करेंगे इस इमेज को तो दिस विल बी टर्न लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ 15th आंसर, A and N is a program on the internet that helps you find websites, pictures, videos or information using keywords. Option is search engine. A search engine is a program on the internet that helps you find websites, pictures, videos or information using keywords. search engine, right? Okay, now question 16. Question 16 is, which of the following statement holds true about keyboard keys? Statement 1, Control, Shift and Alt keys appear 2 times on a standard keyboard. Statement 2, Caps Lock and Num Lock are called navigation keys. So which one is true? 16 question, which one is true? It is A part, only statement 1. Okay, you can see on the standard keyboard that Control, Shift and Alt, these keys appear 2 times. Okay, and Caps Lock and Num Lock are not called the navigation keys. Now question number 17. Identify the following. It is a type of computer that is much faster and more powerful than regular computers. As name suggested, supercomputer. If it is powerful and much faster, then it is supercomputer, right? Then we see the question 3. Then we see the option C. It is a designed to handle complex, right? The option is C. Now 18th, select the incorrect match. Takes photos, videos and helpful during video calls. इनकरेक्ट मैच हमें देखना है, तो ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. वेबकैम tells the computer what to do. CPU, this is also correct. Central processing unit, this works the computer, this tells the computer what to do. Let you hear sounds, music or voice from the computer. Speaker, that is also the correct thing. Then copies pictures or documents from paper into the computer. Printer, no. What will be the incorrect option? It's D, printer. 19th, Sarah has made a birthday invitation card using computer. Now she wants to take out 20 hard copies of it. Which device can help her? You can see the printer. Okay. Option, what we can see in question number 18th, this does not copies picture or documents from paper into the computer. Computer, what is in the computer that prints on the paper through the printer? So the next question is showing the same answer, right? Now 20th question, which of the following options appear in a document windows when all the contents of an opened window cannot be seen at the same time in MS Word 2016? Option is D, scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar. Now 21. Which of the following keys when pressed will allow you to jump directly to the end of a line if you are in the middle of a line in MS Word 2016? So what would be the answer? It's A part, and. Okay, which of the following keys when pressed will allow you to jump directly to the end of a line? And key. Question number 22. Which of the following is or are the types of an impact printer? Impact printer, dot matrix printer, line printer or laser printer? Which of the following are the types of the impact printer? Option B, 1 and 2 only, dot matrix printer and line printer. Okay, these are the impact printers. Which of the following statements holds true about the given type of computer? Statement 1. It allows to use fingers to tap, swipe, scroll and zoom, right? Statement 2. It is designed and to be kept only on the desk. No, this is wrong, right? This can move anywhere. So option A only is correct. 1